Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so the background feature can run. First, check that Chrome or the Meet app is updated. Outdated builds often block virtual backgrounds. Once done, make sure you've granted camera and microphone permissions in your operating system and browser settings. Also, quit apps that monopolize the camera, then restart the browser or your device to clear locked hardware states. These initial steps remove the common environmental blockers and set you up for the next configuration phase. Once you're in a meeting or lobby, open the More Options menu and choose Change Background so you can pick Blur, a preset, or upload an image. You need to use Chrome or the official Meet app because some browsers lack this feature. Chrome is preferred. Make sure hardware acceleration is enabled in Chrome settings if using a desktop, because that boosts real-time background processing. After selecting a background, inspect the camera preview to confirm edges look natural and motion is stable before continuing. Finish by verifying performance during live movement. If you see artifacts or jitter, toggle the background off then on, or choose a simpler image to reduce processing. If complex room patterns confuse detection, place a plain backdrop or solid-colored sheet behind you to improve segmentation. If the feature still fails, update your camera and GPU drivers, disable conflicting browser extensions, or test in Chrome Canary for experimental fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: enable hardware acceleration and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.